Matiu 8. Jesus healed one leper. After Jesus come down from the mountain, plenty people come follow am. One leper come meet am, lay down for him front, come say, "Oga God, if you want, you go fit heal me so that my body go well." Jesus touch the man, come say, "Yes, I want make you well." At once the sickness comot from the man body. Then Jesus tell am, "Not tell anybody, but go meet the priest, make he look you. After, go give the offering wey Moses command to show say you don well." Jesus heal Roman officer servant. When Jesus enter Capernaum, one Roman officer come meet am, dey beg make he help am. The officer say, "Oga God, my servant no well for house. E no fit get up and body dey pain am well well." Jesus come answer, "I go come heal am." But the officer say, "Oga God, I no big reach who you go enter in house. Instead, just talk and my servant go well. Me sef, I be man wey get oga, and I still get soldiers wey dey under me. If I command one say make e go, e go go. If I command another one say make e come, e go come. And if I command my servant make e do this thing, e go do am." When Jesus hear wetin e talk, e surprise. Then e tell the people wey dey follow am, "I tell una true word, I never see anybody wey get this kind faith for Israel. Many people from east and west go come follow Abraham, Isaac and Jacob chop inside God kingdom. But dem go throw the people wey suppose enter the kingdom for darkness, when dem go dey cry and grind their teeth." Then Jesus tell the officer, "Go, since you believe, na so e go be for you." Na that same time the servant well. Jesus heal Peter wife mama. When Jesus enter Peter house, e come see say Peter wife mama no well. Then e touch the woman and the fever comot from him body. So the woman get up, come begin serve them. When evening reach, dem carry many people wey demon dey inside dem come meet Jesus. E drive the wicked spirits comot, come heal all the people wey no well. This one make wetin prophet Isaiah talk be true. E remove our sickness and carry our disease comot. Jesus answer people wey wan follow am. When Jesus see plenty people gather am, e come command him disciples make dem cross go the other side for the river. One law teacher come tell Jesus, "Teacher, I go follow you go anywhere where you dey go." Jesus answer am, "Rabbit and bird get their own house, but man pikin no get where e fit go rest him head." Another disciple come say, "Oga God, make I first go bury my papa." Jesus answer am, "Follow me, make those wey don die bury their dead body." Jesus stop heavy breeze for sea. As Jesus enter the boat, him disciples come follow am. At once, strong breeze come dey blow for the sea, and wave wan sink their boat. But Jesus Christ dey sleep. So him disciples wake am, come dey say, Oga God, save us. Na die we dey so. Jesus answer dem, una faith small o. Wetin make una dey fear? Then he get up, command the breeze and the waves, say make them stop, and everywhere come quiet at once. The men surprised well, come dey ask each other, which kind man be this sef? Even breeze and wave dey obey am. Jesus heal men wey get demon. When Jesus reach the other side, where Gadarenes people dey stay, two men wey get demon run from the burial ground come meet am. Nobody dey fit pass that road because the men wicked well. The demons come holler, God pikin, make you leave us o. Abi you come suffer us when time never reach. For where dem dey, plenty pigs dey chop near there. Then the demons beg Jesus, if you drive us comot, make you send us go enter inside the pigs. So Jesus tell them, make una go. At once, dem come comot, enter inside the pigs, and all the pigs rush go enter the river, come die. The people wey dey look the pigs run go the town, come tell people everything wey happen to the men wey get demons. Then everybody for the town come dey find Jesus. When they see am, they come beg am make he comot from their area. All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel. Then I will click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone, go green una. Una go help us like the video, una will help us share am with una friends. And most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.